You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names of famous places and famous cities in the UK, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This is the name of a river in England, Tyne. Tyne is how you say it, it's easy, Tyne, and now you know more videos for you here on how to pronounce more confusing names that many get wrong. I'll see you there. To learn more, like and subscribe. If you found this video useful, like it at least, it helps me a lot, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.